The next step to creating the mouse is to cut this mouse body in half. And to do that, we create a sketch. You can do a line if you want to cut a simple straight across, or we can do a spline to add some curvature to that. I'm going to pick a spline for this example. Now I want to pick this vertical plane that splits the mouse right here in half. And put the sketch on that plane. And I want to sketch out the way this mouse is going to be cut. And I'll wrap that up right there. Looks good to me. Hit stop sketch. And now I can go to modify, split body. And body to split, I want to select the mouse body. The splitting tool, I want to now select the splitting tool. And that's the line I just drew. And you can see that extend splitting tool is checked. And that's going to slice all the way through that mouse body at the line I just drew. I'm going to say OK. And voila, I've got two parts to the mouse now. And if I expand my bodies, I can see I've got body 1, body 2, and now I can name these. So body 1 is the bottom, and body 2 is the top. Got these two pieces. Go ahead and turn off the top, and I notice that this is completely solid, and that's not realistic. The mouse actually would have some thickness and some hollowness to this. So to do that, I'm going to do a modify, and I'm going to find shell. And to shell this, it's important to click on the face. I want to be hollow. So I do not want to click on the side or the bottom. I click right where the cut line was. So click right in the middle, and I get this blue arrow to start to create that shell. I can drag that in as thick or as thin as I'd like. Or I can type in a dimension. So if I know I want this to be 1.5 millimeters thick, I can simply type that in, or 1, and there I've got the thickness. So I'll say OK. And now the bottom's looking good. I can turn that off, and I'll turn on the top. I'll notice I've got the same issue here. This is totally solid. So I say modify shell, click directly in the middle of the bottom, and give the inside thickness. Say OK. And now I've got it. I've got the top shelled out and the bottom. Now one more thing I might like to do, I'm going to turn the top back off, is to add a fillet. Give it some roundness. Those two pieces may not meet up exactly. Typically there's a little fillet there. I'm going to go to modify fillet, grab this outside edge, and I can type in a radius. So I will do 0.5 millimeter fillet there. Say OK. Now I can turn that off the bottom, and I'll add a fillet to the same edge on the top. Modify fillet. Click the same top edge. I'll also do 0.5 millimeter. Say OK. And now I can turn on those pieces, and I've got the mouse body. That's looking pretty good. Now if I would like to, I can add some appearance materials to this. So I can right click, find appearance, and I'll pick some plastics. I'll do a transparent for the top, and I'll pick an acrylic clear for that top piece. And for the bottom piece, I'm going to pick an opaque, and I will do a glossy blue. And I'll say I'll close on that. Now I can see I've got the top is clear, the bottom's blue. Any colors you'd like to pick would be great. And there I've got it, two pieces of the mouse.